Hey guys, my first video in a while. I'm just doing a tutorial here now. You might be wondering why I'm talking fast. It's because I literally just did a tutorial video only to realize that it was a 22-minute video, long video, because it just went on random tangents like I'm doing now. Anyway, right now I have every intention to do it within 5. Anyway, so basically I've started playing modded Terraria now. Now, basically, what I'm going to show you today is how to install what's called tModLoader. Now, to install it, you can get it from a site. I'll show you it later. Now, you can obviously just use Windows. Windows comes with a basic zip extraction tool, but what's best is if you go to WinRar. I'll put this link inside of the description. So basically you're gonna get a thing here and WinRar, now this here, here is, you see where it says English, WinRar, and RAR release. Anyway, so myself, I have a 64-bit OS, so I'd click 64. If you have a 32-bit, click this. A good way to see this, I'm not 100% sure this works, but I'll make sure it does. You go to Computer, right-click Properties. Yes, so you will navigate to where it says computer. Now, hopefully this works. I don't know if it works on Windows 10 or 8, but I know it works on 7. Anyway, so you go to computer, you right-click on the background somewhere where there's not like a removable disk and stuff, and click Properties. It'll open this up. You'll see System, System Type, 64-bit operating system, or 32-bit. But yeah. So basically this here, oh god, hopefully no one messed 1 minute. There we go. So basically, this here is good. So basically, if it says 64-bit, get the 64-bit version. If it says 32-bit, get the 32-bit version. Alright, so, I've already gotten these, obviously, but I know they work. So basically, it's you'll see trial version, and so basically, you'll click on this. Fairly sure it's just a left click, and you'll follow the general instructions to install it. Anyway, this is best. Like it is, WinRAR is better. You can obviously just do this with regular Windows, but it'll be easier to explain with this. I'll put the link to this down in the description. Now we're gonna go to the Terraria forms. Now I'll put this link down in the description too. You'll see tModLoader, a page that looks something like this. The background might be different. It's because I have it custom. Anyway, so you'll see this blah blah blah. You see where it says table of contents. Click this. Where it says download, click that. See, it says Steam, or download, it says Steam Windows. You're going to click that. Now, I've already done that, so I don't need to do this, but click that and install it to your desktop is probably best. I installed it right there. It looks like the 3 books if you're using WinRAR. Anyway, so you're going to right-click on that, and you're going to open with or extract either with WinRAR or Windows. You'll extract it, make a folder on the desktop called tModLoader window, or the same thing this is called. Or if you're using WinRAR, just click extract to tModLoader, that blah blah blah. Anyway, it'll appear here. You'll see there's these things. Now, I'm going to show you my Terraria folder. My Terraria folder is a little bit different than yours will look, but essentially it'll be the same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Computer, Local Disk C, Program Files. Now, if you're using 32-bit, you'll only see one program files, and it'll be called Program Files. But if you're using 64-bit, it'll say Program Files and Program Files x86. You're going to click on x86, because that means it's the 32-bit. See, Steam saves in your 32-bit files. So if you're already only running a 32-bit processor, you'll only see one program files that'll look like this, and you'll click there. If you're using 64-bit, do the one with x86. So if you have 2 options, click the x86. If you only have 1 option, click it. So this should be alphabetically organized. You're going to go down to the S, click on Steam. Gonna go down to S, Steam Apps, Common, go to T where it says Terraria. Now, so it tells you can back this up, but really it doesn't matter because it doesn't save in the same place Terraria does, so it doesn't have the chance of it corrupting isn't that great anyway. But if you do want to back it up, just right click on it, copy, and paste it like on your desktop or something, this entire folder. Anyway, so this will look a bit different because I've already done this and I forgot to delete everything like an idiot. Anyway, so you'll have this folder. Now you also have this. Now, this thing I have called moddedterraria.exe, it won't be that. It'll say terraria.exe. The problem with that is that terraria.exe is already the name of Terraria, so what you're going to want to do is inside of the tModLoader folder here, you're going to right-click on the thing that says terraria.exe, just like this one, and you're going to rename it moddedterraria.exe, basically capital M-O-D-D-E-D, capital T-E-R-R-A-R-I-A. And so then you hit enter and it'll become monitored. Anyway, so that there, you're going to grab all these and you're going to right click copy and you're going to right click paste here. Now, I've already done everything, so it should all go in flawlessly, but just to show you, if you've already downloaded them before, it'll say this. Do this for the next 6 conflicts and copy and replace everything. Do you want to merge this folder? Yes, and there we go. So that's what it's done. Now what you want to do is you're going to go into Steam. When you get into Steam here, you're going to go to your library, games. Now I have this here, 1 minute. I'm just going to delete shortcut. Okay, so you see up here above the thing where it says store library community, your username, how it says Steam, view, friends, games, help. You go to games, go to add a non-Steam game library. It's the same place you would go to redeem a wallet code or a key, and you click add a non-Steam game to my library. Now you're going to click on that, you're going to click browse. Now, if you've never done this before, it won't open, so just to run through, program files, Steam, Steam apps, common, Terraria, Terraria, where did I miss it? I missed it in, yes, Terraria. And now you're going to see the modded Terraria file that you made and put in there. You're going to double click that. You're going to make sure that it is checked over here and make sure none of them are checked unless you want to add multiple things. But anyway, just make sure mod Terraria is checked. And for the purpose of this, only have mod Terraria checked. Anyway, you hit add selected programs and you'll see it right there. And now to install it, you're going to want to click play. And you just wait for it to load, and it will install on its own. It may take like a few minutes, maybe more. Anyway, because I've already loaded it once today, it works like this. Anyway, it may take like a bit to load, but as long as when you're on the Steam page, you can click view friends list and it says that you're in game Terraria or modded Terraria. Basically, that means it's working. Now, to download mods, there's the mod browser. You can get one here, hit download, and then it'll say reload. So you go to mods and you click enable and hit reload mods. It'll do this, and yeah, that's how it works. This can also be used to create mods, but I'm not going to get into that just for time's sake. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll put the 2 links you need, the WinRar and the tModLoader, down in the description. Anyway, you can get those and continue to install this. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.